If you are starting out in Unreal Engine, then I think this video will help you out and show you how to easily create this beach scene in just a few minutes. Don't worry, it's really easy, and I'll also recommend downloading a free PDF guide from the link in the description. This way you will have all the information, values and steps from this video in one place for future reference. If you are ready, let's create our beach. Go File and click New Level. Over here choose Basic and click Create. Make sure to hit Ctrl S on your keyboard to save your level in case it crashes. Name it Beach and hit Save. Now go to Landscape mode or hit Shift 2 on your keyboard. Over here choose Landscape size. I'll go with 31 by 31. Make sure that this Enable Edit Layers is selected. Also, it's very important to set the location to be 0, 0, 0. Hit Create. You can go back to selection mode Shift 1 and delete the floor since we don't need it anymore. Now go to Edit, Plugins, type in Landmass. Enable it. Type in Water and enable it also. Click Restart now so we can use the plugins. Make sure to save your level. If you got this error, just make sure to click it and add the entry. After you restart the Unreal Engine, go File and click Open Level and open our beach level. Go to the green plus button and go to All Classes. Now type in Water. Drag and drop Water Body Ocean to your landscape. It's important to drag and drop, otherwise it will be a mess. You can see your island. To make it better, we need to reduce the size of the island. Select Water Body Ocean, select Move Tool W, and just move around these 4 nodes to reduce the size of the island. You can see this ring in the middle. To make this smooth, go to Selection mode, select the Water Body Ocean. Under Fall Off Settings, choose Width. Nice. We need sand. Now go again on the green plus button and click Quixel Bridge. Log in and type in the search bar Beach Sand. Click Surfaces, select material you want, and click Download and click Add to Project. Close Quixel, hit Ctrl plus space, and under Megascans you will see your material. Select Landscape, scroll down to Landscape Material, and just drag and drop sand material to your landscape material. You can see we have our beach. To make the sand texture bigger, double click sand material, enable tiling and offset, and change tiling X and Y to be 0.3. Make sure to save everything with Ctrl Shift and S. And if I click play from here, you will see your beach. Also, to make your beach pop out, hold Ctrl and L and position your sun lower to emphasize shadows. Drop some comments and likes below if you find this helpful. You can also subscribe if you like this kind of video tutorial, and thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.